Hello and welcome to another edition of Musician's Health. My name is Dave, and today we're going to talk about making turmeric balls. Great for your gut health. It's the first thing I put in my mouth when I wake up in the morning, and it's done wonders in alleviating the inflammation that I experience from Lyme disease. So all you're going to need is a bowl and a spoon, glass container, because we're going to store them in the refrigerator afterwards, organic turmeric powder, and some warm spring water or filtered water, about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The ratio of turmeric to water is about a tablespoon of turmeric to 2 teaspoons of water. What I do, because I like to make a bunch of them for the week, is I just take a big spoonful, put it in the bowl there, and then I'm going to slowly add water. Spoonfuls of water, spoonfuls of warm water, until I get the consistency right. And the consistency we're looking for here is just a crumbly, moldable, moist consistency. Not too wet, and when you store them, they'll kind of get soggy, flatten out on you. And too dry is easy to see because it'll be hard to work with. If you've added too much water, you can always just add more turmeric powder. I'll work it with a spoon first. Looks like we gotta add just a little bit more water. It's starting to firm up, starting to stick together. Just a little bit. I think this is about the time I'm gonna get my fingers in here. Don't be afraid to get dirty. So, I'm gonna work it with my fingers and see if we can get the consistency of Play-Doh. Fold the water in. I'm gonna try to make one. If it falls apart on you, it's a little too dry, and you can just add a little bit more water and see what happens. So I kind of roll them into balls in my hand. And this one was perfect. Not too dry, a little crumbly. Okay, spoke too soon. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just a tiny bit, about a half a tablespoon to this. A little bit of water. All right, let's try it again. That's about perfect. So you can see it's very easy to work with. Okay, so I'm gonna make about marble-sized balls here. Squish them together, roll them in your hands. And there you go, about that size. Let's make a few more. Work it in your fingers, roll it in your hand. Now, if you want, you can add black pepper to the turmeric. If you've ever seen supplements that say bioperin in them, all that is black pepper. And black pepper makes the turmeric more bioavailable. But bioavailability isn't really our goal with these. These are meant to coat the esophagus, coat the lining of the stomach, but sometimes I'll add pepper, sometimes I won't. I usually don't, but if you want it to be a little bit more like a supplement, add some black pepper. Might get a little dry as you get Get down to the last bit. You can add more water if you need to. Looks like this would be the last one. So this one I'm going to eat. Alright, so when you eat these, I would suggest not swallowing them like a pill, which I've tried. Chew it up and swallow it down with some water. So I'm going to grab some water, throw it in your mouth, chew it up. Put it down. And that's turmeric balls. I hope you guys learned something today. Stay well, stay healthy. My name is Dave. Have a great day.